Hello guys, in this videos I will talk about how to improve this lamp stand or light stand. This is for holding some parts in soldering for electronic projects. This is a cheap items, and the main issue is the lamp, the LED light is not enough. It comes with 2 LED, and I later on added 2 more, but still it's not enough. And I'm going to build a ring. There is 9-piece LED. These LED are in my storage. I make use of it. And this lamp cover, light cover, is 3D printed in ABS. Not bad. And this lamp stand use 3 dry battery cell. This A size tab, and the electricity is easily run out, so I use rechargeable tab. I need to connect a USB power cord inside. There's two poles, positive and negative, and inside there is a small piece resistor. It's a surface mount tab, and the value is not correct if I use 5 volt power, since 3 pieces is only 4.5 volt, and I changed the value a little bit, and then I also built a rechargeable power pad. This one, it used 2 piece 18650 rechargeable battery, and this circuit board and the whole pieces is bought in the website. China made, and it's very cheap, in less than $1. And here is the charging port, USB-C, and come out here, these 2 positive and negative. I connect it to a USB-C USB connector, and this is a, you see, this title is a UPS non-stop dust charging modulars. And about this battery, I also bought from Chinese website. It's very cheap for 1 pieces. It's only $1 US dollar, and I don't know its quality because I just roughly use them. And I build the housing as well. Here is the 3D model. upper and lower housing on your PC board. It's not difficult. And then I pin these two parts. And come out here. And the two half is locked by two screws here. See here. Let's go to here. And here is two screw posts. This side is a charging. This is output. Now it's turned on. And there is a switch here. And here is my builder's lamp ring. And it's something like that. And first is the 3D model is built, and this is the ring. This is the original lamp. An LED. And then I use 3D printing to pin it and use the wire to connect it. And there is a resistor. It's 220 ohm. And after assembly all the stuff, and let's see how much light it come out. Now the wire is connected, and I change the resistor to 100 ohm. And I'm going to put the lamp rings on. There are 3 screws to be installed on this white mark here, 1 and 2, and here is 3. Take care not to damage the wire. Here are M2 screw. I think it's M2 times 12, something like that. I install this one piece, and it's completed. Let me see. And it's now usable. Pop back. Thank you for your watching. If you like my videos, there is another website I started more my previous building stuff, building machines and modification or repair some things videos here, and you can click into my account. This one. I used to build the CNC milling machine. and some electronic stuff. This medium machine. This is the 2-inch box.